Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate a very beautiful phenomena in physics called as interference. So I will be demonstrating interference of water waves. Interference is defined as the superposition of two or more waves which gives rise to a pattern which is called as the interference pattern. In this there is a redistribution of intensity of light so here I am going to demonstrate this particular phenomena. Interference proves the wave nature of light. To demonstrate this particular phenomena, I will be using a blender. So this is the blender and the blades of the blender, they will be acting as the two sources which will generate the water waves. And I have a container in which there is a colored liquid. So let us observe the interference pattern. So let us observe the interference of water waves. These two sources, when they will hit the water surface, each source will produce water waves and these waves will interfere with each other. When the waves are in phase, at that time you will observe that there is a maximum displacement in the pattern that can be observed. The pattern will be bright, and where the waves will be out of phase, the pattern will be dark. So let us observe the interference of water waves. So let us observe it in slow motion now. Now let us explain the interference of water waves with the help of a diagram. So in the diagram you can observe that S1 is one source which is generating a water wave and S2 is another source which is generating a water wave. These sources are such that they have the same wavelength and amplitude and they are in phase with each other. So the phases which are emitted by both the sources, they are equal. Now the crests are shown in the diagram by blue lines and these are the solid lines which are shown in the diagram. And the dotted lines which are shown in green color, they represent the troughs in the water waves. So when the crest of one wave that will fall on the crest of the other wave, there is a redistribution of energy that is taking place, and those points will be the points of bright intensity. Or when the trough of one wave is falling on the trough of the other wave, there is again redistribution of energy and these points will be the bright points. So interference pattern is of two types. One is constructive interference and the other one is called as the destructive interference. So in case of constructive interference, we can observe that the displacement of is maximum and it is twice that for each wave, and these are the points of constructive interference. In the diagram these points are shown by green dots. So this indicates the constructive interference. So here you can observe that there is a constructive interference, then there is a destructive interference, constructive interference. So like this alternately you have the redistribution of energy which is taking place. So at the destructive interference, what is happening is that the crest of one wave is falling on the trough of the other wave, and therefore the displacement is minimum in that case, and these points are shown by black dots in the diagram. So this is how the interference pattern is obtained.